Welcome back to the channel, another 200 gram edition of Mike's Vivid Thunder Pyrotechnics, keeping the thunder rolling. Beam Me Up by Magnus Fireworks. Totally dig the artwork. Anybody that knows me knows that I live on coffee. Chinese factory pictures of what it should look like in the sky. The description reads, "You'll love this one, a latte. Wake up with 24 shots of espresso, including red and green strobes with gold crackle, a triple fan of red dahlias with blue pearls, plus silver, green, and purple effects throughout. Beam me up, Scotty." So it has a 9 out of 10 for volume. It's got a strobe peony theme effect. Red, green, purple, and blue for color. 30-second duration, 80 feet for height. And it's got some angled firing in it. Let's take a look at the bore size. Some decent bore. And you can see a couple of them are angled. So with no further ado, let's get into it.